Commissioner ma aluora Nyanza Flora Moroa omedo kwayo Oganda modak Nyakach mondo ne ni gibedo akicha e kinde mag nyasi mag Christmas gi yawo higa manyien. Men kaluwore gi monj ma osebedo katimore e gwengego kendo kelo tho mar ji. Owacho ma kane ochiwo twak e chenro margi maneno ni gichiwo arita ma oromo e gwenge mag Kaluo e kinde sikuku. E wi mano ogolo siem ne jogo machwalo ohand kong'o ma ok opuodhi ni biro kawnegi okang' mar chik.
We want to make sure that we do not have activities that raise tensions during this period. And one of those activities normally is the stock theft. Because most times when you have people stealing cattle at the borders, then it more or less is interpreted as an inter-communal kind of a crime, whereas in most cases it's just normal criminality. So we have also put measures in place to ensure that anything that may raise tensions between communities is well taken care of on time so that people don't have these tensions escalating. You know, during the festive season, very many of our motorists and drivers want to engage in drunk driving. We are going to have checks, that is then the NTSA and the National Police will combine efforts to ensure that the roads are properly used